All right, folks, it is time for our next matchup here on the Monday Night Mayhem. And this one is scheduled to be a pal match. If you can believe that. I sure can't, but here we are, right? So here we go. Introductions, please. Left-hand side. He is, of course, the one who makes an appearance at every friggin' show imaginable, going so far as to one day leave a friggin' hospital while he was sick, come and play on friendlies. Fortunately, not the case tonight, but don't ever put it past him. He is Mr. Friendly's Marts. And on the right, his opponent for probably the 12th time. Probably not the 69th time, maybe, I don't know. Someone who's played a lot, a fellow rival of his, who's gonna look to take him down and let the caca fly, is Richard Wolf, the 6th. All right, it is time. Oh, yeah, I was gonna play the clip. Yeah, he came back, so all right, well, here we go. It is time for game number 1. This pal matchup in 3, 2, 1. Tetris. Because I did see that top out. That was pretty funny. Oh, man, yeah, that was great. Yeah, here, yeah, we'll at least play the audio. Hang on. Might be loud, fair warning. I'm gonna mute the music.
Because Marts is making a lot of caca right now. Look at his face. You can see Marts' face. That's what the face looks like when you make caca in Canada. Oh, Monsieur Kingsman, it's so hard to hold it in. Oh no, I'm going to let it go, man. It's going to come out. Oh no, Kingsman, I just poop on my chair, and now Judy, I have to clean it up. Wasting.
All right, let me get the music going again. There we go. Yeah, that was a one of the moments in gaming history. One of the moments of all time. Truly, truly one of the moments of all time. Oh my god. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, potential ads. Yeah, potential sponsors. Yeah, right. Clearly, that's the clip we need to show them. That, if they're on the fence, that's the one that'll win them over right there. Oh man, there's a touch of sin for Mars. 67K, 98,000 points here for Richard Wolf, who's about 5 lines behind. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a moment in Monday Night Mayhem, truly. Like I said, I don't know why CTM wanted me to do this in person in Texas. I'm like, they asked me if I wanted to do it. I'm like, sure, yeah, why not? Like, I'm starting to think this was a bad idea. Like, what are we gonna get? We're gonna get, like, we're gonna get me haphazardly doing my thing, like always, and, you know, it's either gonna go over very well in a live audience, or it is going to not translate as well, and we're, you know, there's not really much of it in between. But of course, it's not so haphazardly, ironically, right now. These two boards looking good here at the moment. We got 101 to 170. Richard with a substantial lead. At the moment here, again, we are on the PAL version of this game. Or so I have been told. Yeah, of course, Mari nearly forgot that I was coming. Yeah, I mean, I'm still figuring out where the heck I'm staying, but, you know. I've got everything else figured out. All right. got my plane ticket booked, so I'm definitely going, right? Should be a fun time. I mean, and this year is probably the only year I'm gonna go. Like, you know, like I'm just going because I have the vacation days to use this year, and I'm like, you know what? I'll go. Why not? Like, just I've never been to Texas. This is a good excuse to go. You know, and see all my people from down that way. But it was not cheap. It is not cheap, so will probably be a one-time thing. But figure, why not? Why not this year? Apparently there was a drought that I missed. I actually probably missed a lot of things. We are getting close to transition. I keep forgetting this is level 15, and yeah, they're transitioning at 100 lines, not 130. So again, confirmed community dumbass here in the house, reporting some scores. Is 308 for Richard Wolf. His board a little bit messy towards the top. Marts at 239. So Richard certainly with the true lead, especially being a handful of lines behind. So has more to work with here before the 18, 19, and oh, may not even matter here. Marts, a couple misdrops. The Kaka comes flying out there right at transition. He is finished at 239 or whatever it was. It was under 300K. So RW6, you are good. You will take the 1-0 lead. Of course, Mart's happy somebody saw the drought because I did not. Like I said, I'm just, you know, community dumbass, and I'm fine with that. Like, what you can do here, we're about to hit the 19 speed. He's setting up again, 19 speed on Pal. Fairly comparable to that of 29, right? Like between NTSC's 19 and 29, certainly doable, but as you can see, not easy. 467, his final score. Certainly no easy feat playing on 19 on the PAL version. And oh, that's a PB! That is a PB for Richard Wolf. There you go. He's it right there in chat. That is a new PB right here. And of course, 400K, also no joke on PAL. Even getting like 700K on PAL was kind of the equivalent to getting a max in NTSC, but of course, we continue on. 3, 2, 1, Tetris. Certainly getting one step closer to that. PAL 700. The thing is, you basically, if you're trying to maximize efficiency and get a high score in PAL, you basically, if you're not rolling, right, you basically have to do it all before the 19 speed, or just have a really good board going into the 19, maybe get a little bit more, right? Like I said, PAL 19, it is no joke. Of course, for all that PB stuff, though, of course, Colin was mentioning, of course, he will also be at the Lone Star event. Should be a very fun time. Ant's house has got a pool. So you're telling me, so Colin, does your aunt also have a hot tub? Asking for research purposes. Oh, goodness. No, all kidding aside, what's no laughing matter is Marts' bored right now. He is shaking his head. Yeah, this board is certainly a mess at the moment. Richard Wolf's is not a whole lot better. Though it is, I would say it is definitively better. And now it is certainly better as he has got the right side opened up once again. And there we go. There's Long Bar. There's Tetris. He will go to 76,000, 40,000 points here for Mr. Friendlies. He's just trying to burn his way out of it. There's a nice double with the square, followed by a burn with the Z. But oh. Trying to hold in the Gaga, so far failing to do so. Oh yeah, Ito is like, man, what am I doing? Zio just Mart's taking the wheel. Oh, where he's got the right side open, that is to say. Oh man, dirty Tetris in for Richard Wolf, 110. Oh my god, what is this match? This is one of the matches of all time. Oh my god. Of course, Colin. My gosh, she does have a hot tub. Oh my goodness. But yeah, for research purposes. Yeah, of course. Of course. I'm sorry, Colin. Are you telling me that you didn't run a test boot with the motherboard and like the CPU and stuff before attempting to boot it? Oh my goodness. Like, is that what I'm hearing here? Because like, come on, man, you gotta at least run a test boot just to so that way if something's faulty, you know, right, before you put the whole damn thing together, right? Like, oh, Mark's in a bit of trouble here. Speaking of faulty, this board, and kind of by extension to stacking, a little bit faulty at the moment, but he's looking to burn his way down. There we go. There's Longbar. There's Tetris. He'll go to 148. In spite of all his, well, troubles to begin this game, is actually not far behind. Only about a 1 Tetris difference right now, as Richard's been in a bit of a mess for quite some time. There we go. Marts will take the lead with a Tetris there. 186. We're about to transition. About 10 lines to go for both. 167 for Richard Wolf. There's the pins you connect the power switch to. You can just, you know, put the flathead screwdriver in it. You've never heard of this trick? Bro, I used to know you, man. Oh, my word. Anyway, we're at 16 for Richard Wolf. He's at 214, 197 for Marts. We are neck and neck. Can we get something for that left side for Marts? We need a J, but of course it didn't come. Had to go for a flat T. Misdropped some subsequent pieces, and here we are, Kaka City. Welcome aboard, population Marts. He is finished at 199. And oh, Richard Wolf topped out too, but it didn't matter. He's got the 2-0 lead. Oh my god. There you go. Kaka all around, but unfortunately, someone had to win that. And in this case, it was Richard Wolf the Sixth. Was on game point. All right, we have 2 ready players. It is time for game number 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, Tetris. Of course, coming up next, it will be Noel and Mari clashing as we return to NTSC Tetris for the remainder of the evening after this little PAL interlude. But yeah, Colin, I'll explain this to you later though. Yeah, but yeah, it's really easy thing to do. It's like I've done that since I built my first ever PC. The one that I'm using right now, actually. This is the first one I ever built. So yeah, it was like, you know, yeah, anyway, I won't go into it right now. We'll talk later. But in other news, it did post, so it didn't matter, right? In this case, it did not matter. Oh my god. But all right, let's get a quick score check as we begin this game number 3. It is game point here for Richard Wolf. We are neck and neck to begin, about 15 lines apiece at 76,000 for one, 77 for the other. Doesn't really matter which is which at the moment, though it is Marts with the lead just for record keeping's sake, if you will. And oh, Mart's gonna accidentally shift a L piece. He did not intend to. This board is absolutely falling apart. Looking for a hero dig of the century right here. To square the J. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, but he mistrust the J. Oh, wait. He's got an opening, maybe. Oh, gotta double flip the T. Oh, man. Oh, Richard Wolf, you've done it. Game freaking goes to you. Oh no, no, no! Oh. Yeah, of course, Marts. So he is Kaka at all versions of Tetris. Again, unfortunately, someone had to win this set. And tonight, it is a Richard Wolf the Sixth getting it done. GG's. Or something. Oh my god, no, but thank you guys for coming out and playing as always. Look at that. I love you guys, you know that. But coming up next.